Alright, 6.4. And this is interior and exterior angles. You should have something to take notes with. Top of page 43. So it says explore and apply properties of the interior angles of a triangle. So think about it. There's our triangle. We're gonna say that's an equilateral triangle because that's what they say. Actually, I guess they're not saying that this is an equilateral triangle, but let's say angles 1, 2, 3. So if you're gonna if you were to cut out the angles. Yeah, we're gonna skip that part of it. I don't like the way there. I don't like that part. Let's go bottom of page 44 then. In triangle PQR, this is x degrees, 31 degrees, and what's that? 48 degrees. Find the value of x. Well, what do you know about all the angles in a triangle? Add up to
360.
no. Oh, you don't know. So this would be look at the top of page 44 actually. You see how they cut out the triangle there, and they've got the different angles 1, 2, and 3. All of them add up to what then? Because they all go on a straight line.
180.
Yep, all of them are gonna add up to 180. So you've got x degrees plus 31 degrees plus 48 degrees equals 180 degrees. And of course I don't need to put these degrees on here because I've got an equation now. 31 plus 48 is
79.
subtract 79. X equals boom. Actually this has degrees here thing, so you actually don't have to put the degrees thing on there. If they have the degrees here for you, then you don't need to put the degrees on there because they already put the label on there for you. Guided practice number 1. It's got 35, 57, and P. And P is the third one. Yeah, that one. So what are you gonna do?
35, or P plus 35 plus 57 equals 180. And 57 plus 85.
Ooh. Okay. What are these two together?
92. Yeah, 92. Um, 72.
Yeah. No, it's 8. Like if 90 is an even split, so it's 88.
Oh,
And I think they already put the degrees thing on there. Yes, they did. All right, bottom of page 45. It's an isosceles triangle where one of them is 40. So remember when I said it's got these equal marks on it, and those things are the same thing? If this is 40, so one of the other things, if you know sides are equal, then what do you know about these angles?
180 minus 40 divided by 2.
Well, let's make the 40 plus what first? What are these if we don't know what they are?
P and R, or Q and R.
Does it really say Q and R? No, it doesn't.
Oh no, it's just the angles. X.
So it's just going to be 40 plus x? There's two angles though. What's this angle? It doesn't say. Well, if we know these sides are equal, then what are the angles across them? Yeah, but what's this one then?
It's the same as that.
Okay, so what do we put down for our equation?
X2, like X.
X2.
Like X and then, like 2.
What are we talking about? X-Men 2, the movie?
Maybe.
Yeah, 2x, because
2x,
if the
that's what
sides
it
are
is.
equal, if these sides are equal, then the angles that are across from this, the angle across from this side, angle across from this side, they're also going to be equal. So if you subtract 40, you're going to get 140 equals 2x. X equals what?
6 to 70. 70.
Yep. 70, there's your answer. That's for an isosceles triangle. And top of page 2, got another isosceles triangle. Only this time we got 55, 55, and x.
55 plus 55. We're 180 minus. Okay, yeah, 180 minus 55 minus 55 plus x, or minus x.
And so add 110 together. X equals what?
70.
Boom, done. Right for your assignment.